In front of me is POCO C75, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down to hit additional settings. Then tap on one-handed mode. Use gray switcher to activate it and follow all of those instructions. To enter one-handed mode, you can swipe left or right from the center of the navigation panel. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. To go back, swipe up or click on this area. To disable one-handed mode completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!